This 2026 Jayco Alante 29S is a Class A RV. It is located in St. Augustine, Florida, 32086 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV St. Augustine. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Jayco Alante 29S is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.